Now, let's talk about the six hot e-commerce niches that you should sell in Nigeria if you want to be successful with e-commerce. The thing with e-commerce is that you have a lot of things that you can sell. But if you do not have a niche or a hot selling niche, you are going to struggle to actually make any money or even break even if you are making money. So in this video, I'll be showing you hot e-commerce niches that you should focus on, that you should sell in and make your money. So my name is Good Noel, but I'm sure you know this. If you do not know this, I am Good Noel. And most people call me the good guy because I make videos like this. I make videos around e-commerce and affiliate marketing. And if this sounds like something you are interested in, then subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, and even if you're not interested, just share this video to somebody who you know would like stuff like this, and let's cook together. So, what exactly are niches, and why should you do niches if you are selling or doing e-commerce? The truth is, you can basically sell anything. But if you want to be serious with this, you cannot sell anything. You have to sell what people want to buy. And that is where the idea of niches starts to come in. Because when you talk about niches, you talk about a part, a segment of a wide market. And when you pick a segment, it's because you want to solve a particular problem for people in that category. So we have different segments or categories in business, in niches, and in types of products. So this video I'll be showing you the hot niches that you should focus on and some of the products that you can find inside of these niches. That means we are already leaving niches and we are going to sub niches and even micro and macro niches. Now, let's not do a lot of talking. Let me show you practically the niches I'm talking about, why you should do them, how to find some product there, and why you should not do some of them or any of them that you would want to do as a beginner. So the first one, the first on our list here is called household. You see, these days people don't play with their houses, and when we talk about household, we are talking about different things that are inside the house. So the household itself is a niche on its own, and then you have other segments of things that make up a house. These are equally niches, and then they are now sub niches inside the household. So when we're talking about household, we can talk about house decoration, we can talk about house safety, um, um, house enhancement, and house utility, basically anything but inside of the household, because a house or household or shelter is one of the three basic and most important things for humans. So if we go to AliExpress now, we want to look for the household category, we can just come here where it says home or tools and home improvement. This is basically under the household. So if you come here, you can see you can see that this is a broad niche, and inside of these niches you will see sub niches. So under house decors or indoor lightings, you can find ceiling lights, you can find pendant lights, down lights, chandeliers, wall lamps, night lights, and a whole lot of things. If you come under tools, let me go back. If you come under tools that are inside the house, you can see like hand tools, garden tools, tool part, and all of that. If you come right here, like I've said, you can see that we have electrical equipment like home electronics, um, a lot of things basically. So you equally have kitchen fixtures, hardware, alternative power sources, pumps, and a whole lot of it. These things they fall under the household. If you come here again, you see where it says smart temperature control system, automatic curtain control system, smart home body sensors, smart irrigations, and plenty of them. These things are under the household equipment. But that's not just all. If you come here where it says consumer electronics, you can still find some household equipment right there. You can see like we have televisions, we have TV receivers, TV sticks, and all these kind of things. These are under the household, and the household is an evergreen niche, is an unending niche. People are going to keep buying things here. People are going to keep decorating homes, trying to protect their home, trying to beautify their houses, trying to make their houses very conducive for whatever purpose that they need it. People are going to always be, so this is a consistently lucrative market. So try and focus on household if you already if you already do things that are related to household. So don't try to sell everything at the same time. Don't try to be in household, be in health, you are going to become confused. Now let's go to the number two. The number two, the number two is fashion and beauty. This is by far, in my opinion, the highest selling anything around the world, fashion and beauty, because this is humans, humans. So when you talk about humans, you talk about an unending need for humans. So humans love fashion, humans love beauty, women love beauty a lot, and even some men. So if you come down again where we have beauty, you can see that under beauty you have different segments of beauty. If you come here, you see that we have synthetic hair as part of beauty. Now, if you come here, we have skincare, face, eyes, body, adult items, stuff like that. So all these things they are under fashion and beauty, makeups tools, and stuff like that. So you can scroll through, find a particular sub niche, and even in this sub niche, you can find a particular micro product that you can sell. All right. So fashion and beauty is always going to be a gold mine. Number three is health and wellness. Of course, everybody wants to be alive, everybody wants to stay alive, nobody wants to be ill. So people are always going to seek way to try to improve their health or to better their health. As you're watching this video, you want to make sure that you have good health and stuff like that. This is not just peculiar to you. Everybody wants this. So people are going to always buy products that are in the health niche. So if you come here, this has been placed under this category too, under health. So if you come here, you see healthcare, and under healthcare, you have household health monitors. So you see that this is equally inside, this occupies two niches actually, because it's inside the household and then it's still a health product. So you can find different kind of health products that people want to buy. So you have hearing aids. Some persons they have problems with um, hearing, so they need aids. Some people they need oral hygiene. They want to whiten their teeth. They want to rearrange their teeth. Some persons stuffs like that. So they have different things. You have contact lenses, personal health care. All right, personal health care. If you go to personal health care, you see a lot of products there. that you can start selling. So let's just look at personal health care. So you can see, you can get an idea of some of the things that fall under this personal health care. So when we talk about personal health care, we are talking about things that you are not necessarily sick, but you just want to have something better. Why has this decided to change to what language is that? Let me go back. I don't know why this has decided to switch on me. So let me go back to the fourth. Fourth is tech gadgets. People like new things. I genuinely like new things. I'm sure you do too. So people like gadgets. People will buy gadgets every day. So gadgets can be anything. It can be wearables like smartwatches, like smart rings, smart glasses, smart whatever. But these are tech gadgets. People will always buy them. So let's go to AliExpress and see if we can find tech or gadgets. So anyone you cannot find, you can just search. You can just come here and type a search, and this can be under jewelries and watches. All right, so you can find different things right here. You can find different kind of product. If you come to consumer electronics, you can see wearable devices, smart wearable accessories, smart remote controls, smart watches, smart wristbands. People will continuously buy stuff like this, so they are going to continuously sell. So let's go to the fifth one, which is security. People should want to feel secure. Security is extremely important, especially in this country at this point in time. You know, the situation of things in this country, everybody is trying to be security aware. So people are investing money in personal security, car security, house security, children, everything, even emotional security. People are investing a lot of money in these things. So, of course, security is always going to sell. So, if you come here again, you can find different categories of things to sell. If you, let's just search for security, and if you search for security, you can see we have security cameras wireless, security tag remover, security camera systems, security tag detacher, security hidden camera, a lot of these things. So security is a very lucrative industry or niche in Nigeria, and is going to continue to be. So let's go to the sixth, which is automobile. People are in love with cars. If you see the kind of cars that we have in Nigeria, you will understand that people genuinely love cars. People even love cars more than they love human beings. And I am the first person to tell you this, and I'm serious about that. So automobile, it can be automobile accessories, automobile care, automobile security, and stuff like that. I'm not saying you should go and buy cars and start selling, because you most likely do not have such capital. But you can find niches in the automobile industry and try to sell. So let's see if we can find niches right here. If you come here, you see automobile and motorcycles. And if you come here, you can see two tools and maintenance care. So you can see code readers and scanning tools. These are very important tools for people who own cars. You have car washing tools, paint care and polishes, other maintenance products. You have windshield wipers, vehicle sensors, car lights, car multimedia players, car fridge and heaters. You see, there are some persons who would want to pimp their rides to become high-end rides, so they are going to invest in stuffs like that. So you have GPS trackers for car security, jump starters, car stickers, car covers, other exterior accessories. We have exterior accessories, we have interior accessories, and you see we have floor mats. Yes, we have seat covers, storage solution, car cases, a lot of things. So you can pitch your tent right here in the automobile industry, and you might just want to focus on car fridges and heaters. This is in fact a very serious sub niche, and it has some very nice products that you can sell. So you see, this is a car fridge that people can just put inside their cars, and then they can enjoy while they drive. So this one is a very familiar product. So you see that you can find things that these persons would need without it being easily accessible. So they cannot just walk anywhere and find these things, but you are the seller, they are going to buy from you. So that is in fact a good product. Let's go to the next phase. I actually said I was going to give you six, but let me give you seven. And I think we already talked about this before. Personal care. There are some guys who want to grow beards. They want their beards to grow. Some guys want to take off their beards. Some people want full hair. Some people are lacking hair. They want to see a way to regrow their hair. Some ladies, they are losing hair. They want to equally regrow their hair. Some ladies, they have things they want to remove from their body, their shape, stuff like that. Some guys too. These are under personal care. So if you come, let me go back again and show you things that you can find under personal care. So now we have beauty, and right here we have personal care. So if you open a personal care as a full niche, you can see different kind of related categories. So you can see we have hair trimmers, hair brushes, styling tools, styling products. All these things they are for personal care because you don't have these are not health related issues. These are just personal things that you want. So you see you have hair care sets and hair dryers, curling irons, and a whole lot of them. Then the last but not the least, this is a bonus. And I've decided to make this the last because this is a very delicate one, especially if you are a beginner. These days, you find it difficult to see some of these adverts because Facebook and a whole lot of other social media advertising platforms they frown at product like this, product under sexuality. They frown at it because the marketing is not that easy. So that's why if you don't know how to market this thing, Facebook is going to ban your account instantly. If you notice, sometime last year, if you've been paying attention, sometime last year we had like an influx of people who were trying to sell sex enhancers and stuff like that. But again, if you pay attention, you notice that you don't see a lot of them this period. That's because the Facebook system keeps banning you for selling product like this. Of course, you can sell, you can find a way to sell and be very, very profitable because this is a lucrative market and is always going to sell. I do not want to go explicitly on this very topic because if I go and try to find some things right here, I might be displaying some things I don't want to display on the screen. But sexuality has a lot to do with sex related stuffs, and of course, these are going to keep selling. So, these are the seven or eight e-com niches that you can focus on. I personally advise that if you are a beginner, you should stay away from the sexuality niche so they don't ban your account. But if you're an expert, fine, you can shoot. And any of these niches is going to make you a whole lot of money guaranteed. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. My name is Goodnoel. Bye bye.